Windmills. Dude, I'm crazy. I'm crazy, bro. I'm crazy. I'm shooting everything.
We're shooting everything, bro.
I want to shoot a car.
I can't shoot. I can. Alastor's driving. I swear, if we die. Oh my god. Okay.
Shoot the water.
Oh.
Shoot the water.
Oh,
Shoot the piggy.
Never mind, we're all gonna die.
wait, what? Wait, what?
I ran out of ammo.
I still got ammo, but I'm not shooting anymore. But the. Oh my god!
That's how we're supposed to turn the helicopter, apparently.
No, wait.
Wait, oh!
Whoa,
Shoot!
yo, are we in the water?
I don't know how we got into the water! Did I not put in full gas? Well, whatever, it's fine. Well, that was the end of the flight experience. If you like this, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video.
Fun fact, I'm actually
I wish I was recording for that.
Me too!
I wish I was recording that.
Actually, I'm recording everything.
Husband Hotel,
I'm recording this, so, you're welcome.